Mind telling our audience a little bit about yourself and like what you do?
Yeah,
you want me to start? Yeah. All right. So I'm Rom, and I'm a tiny home builder. I build tiny homes and bus conversions full time, and do a couple of other things here and there to make ends meet. Mostly in the construction industry, painting, things of that nature. And I've been doing that now for goodness a while. This will be the 38th bus that I've worked on, so 38 at this point.
Wow.
So been doing that for a long time, traveling full time for a little over 2 years with my wife, who's a artisan jewelry maker. So she does that full time as well.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
And I'm Courtney. I'm 24 and I'm actually solo in this bus parked right behind us. This is my 4th bus conversion in under a year and a half. So usually I'll just buy them.
You have a problem.
Yeah, build them. Live in them for a few months, and then I'll sell them and then buy a new bus because I get bored of it and I just want to build something
kind of like
new.
House flipping almost, right? But bus flipping.
Yeah, pretty much. So yeah, I'm full-time. I work full-time in marketing online. I've done about probably 25,000 miles since I started bus life, and yeah, that's pretty much it.
Yep.
Cool.
I'm Kris, traveling carpenter. Do bus work now, or getting into that aspect of working on buses. This is the first build I've done. Just built her bus. Worked on a couple other buses, but usually it's just carpentry work around the country. I started on the road almost a year ago. Started off on a motorcycle. Lived on the road for 6 months on a motorcycle, and then switched into a truck. I tow my bike, and I live in a tent that's on my roof of my Toyota Tacoma.
Damn.
Carry my tools in the back and just find work where I can.